Well, hello everybody and welcome back. I hope that you guys have been enjoying these stories. I know I've been enjoying them. So today we are going to read a book called Bugsy's Best Easter Ever, and it's by Sarah Miller. So let's get started. Bugsy's Best Easter Ever. Let's peek into the bunny family's house and see what we can see. Mommy Bunny's bacon carrot cake, the best in the world. Wouldn't you agree? Daddy Bunny's great at woodwork and makes tables, chairs, and doors. He also makes wooden ornaments and bird tables and bedroom drawers. Betsy Bunny is the youngest of 4 and likes to dance and do ballet. Beth Bunny is slightly older than Betsy. She likes to stitch, sew, and do crochet. Brett Bunny is the oldest one of all and likes to play sports all day long. His favorites are basketball, hockey, tennis, and a game of ping pong. Now Bugsy Bunny is slightly younger than his older brother Brett. He loves listening to his music through his very own headset. Look at that headset. The Bunny family hop happily around, and it's exciting time of the year. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday, you see, when all the yummy chocolate eggs appear. The bunnies all jump on Brett in a pile. They laugh and giggle and have fun. Their mommy looks at her bunnies and says, "You'll all find the eggs one by one." One bunny is not with the others, and he's missing from the rest. Bugsy is in his room and whispers, "I will find more eggs and be better than the rest." Later that day, Bugsy visits a friend. Shirley the squirrel is her name, and being the best detective in the whole wide world is her game. Bugsy knocks upon her captain's door. Shirley answers and gives a big grin. "Hello, my bunny friend Bugsy. Are you ready to hunt for eggs and win?" "Yes, I am, Shirley. I want to find them all, and then I'll feel like I've won." Shirley grabs her magnifying glass and says, "Come on, this will be so much fun." They look under a log, and there they see an Easter egg hidden just out of sight. That's one of 6 eggs found. Let's find the other 5 before the night. Bugsy shouts, "Look, Shirley, up in the tree, another egg with chocolate and white. That's the second of the 6 eggs found. Let's find the other 4 before the night." Bugsy hops into a pile of leaves. He makes the leaves fly left and right. That's the third of the 6 eggs found. Let's find the other 3 before the night. They find a farm and look in the chicken's house. Shirley finds the Easter egg amongst all the eggs in white. That's the 4th of the 6 eggs found. Let's find the other 2 before the night. Bugsy watches as Shirley looks in a hedgehog's hole using her magnifying glass to help her eyesight. That's the 5th of the 6 eggs found. Let's find the last one before the night. The Easter egg is hard to find. They search all over and everywhere. Shirley says, "Look, a lot of wooden beehives. I wonder if the last Easter egg's there." They get closer and Bugsy says, "That one has lots of carrots on its door. My dad made these beehives. Come on, Shirley, let's explore." Shirley gives a flick of her bushy tail and says, "Follow me, I'm going to peek and take a look for that very last Easter egg that we seek." They hug each other and laugh and giggle. They just can't hide their sheer delight. That's the last one of the 6 eggs found. We found them all before the night. Bugsy races home with all the eggs to see his brother and sisters looking sad. Bugsy says, "But I found all the Easter eggs. Why aren't you all happy and glad?" Brett and Beth both say at the same time, "We wanted to join in and find some too. You took all the fun out of the Easter egg hunt. The only bunny who had any fun was you." This made Bugsy feel sad and hurt. He didn't realize they would feel this way. He thought they could all play now and enjoy this special Easter day. But nobody wanted to play with Bugsy, so the bunny had nobody to share. I found all the Easter eggs. What do I do? He sighs as he sits down in his chair. Bugsy realizes how much he loves his family. He knows he wants to spend time with them all. Without their love and friendship, Bugsy feels lonely and small. Bugsy says, "I'm sorry everyone, let's play." His family forgives him as that's what families do. They have fun for the rest of Easter, and Bugsy says, "This has been my best Easter ever, thanks to you." Happy Easter! All right, everybody, that was another great book. Thank you so much for sharing with me today. Thank you so much for being here today. I love you guys. Miss Tracy loves you guys, everybody, and so does Miss Swoop. We miss you all so very much. And we will see you very soon, hopefully. Keeping fingers crossed. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye.